Because it's so busy today.
Well, do you want to do it or don't you?
No, I'll do it. I did it the other day. Why not do it today? Well, Caitlin did it, but... Yeah, can I get some fries?
Sure, would you like the large one?
Oh, I don't know. What sizes do you have?
Value, small, medium, and large.
Yes.
Do you want the large?
No.
What size would you like?
Do you have like in between medium and large?
No, we don't.
Can't you just put a couple extra fries in the medium?